guys, this is Mr. Grice for Algebra Unit 1.7 Notes, Day 2. Today we're going to be talking about applications of linear equations. Our learning target today is to be able to solve basic linear application problems. So what you guys are going to do is pause the video and translate the following phrases. Use x as your variable. Go ahead and pause the video and good luck. Okay, so for A, to more than a number, remember that more than means to add, and we have to switch the order. So that's really saying not x plus 5, Mr. Grice, but 2 more than, so x plus 2. The next one, a number less than 14. Once again, less than is our keyword that means subtract, but once again, we have to flip the order. Okay, so 14 minus x. And then the last one, 7 equals, okay, equals is telling us that it's an equation. The sum is telling us to add 5 and a number. So 7 equals 5 plus x. Now, today we're going to be talking about linear applications involving relationships between quantities. So step 1 is using the same variable, okay, the same variable represent the relationship between the two quantities. Step 2, we need to write an equation to represent the situation. And then step 3 is to solve the equation and to write the answers using the correct units. You guys ready? Me too. All right, so let's go ahead and read. Michelle and Monica both received gift cards to Marcus Theater. Monica's gift card was worth 15 more than, that sounds, gift card was worth 15 more than Michelle's. If the sum of their gift card is 75, what is the value of each person's gift card? So the first thing that we're talking about is we're talking about Michelle and Monica. Now, the only person that they really tell us about is Monica. They said that Monica's gift card is 15 more than Michelle's, okay? So remember, more than we have to switch. If I don't know Michelle, Michelle is going to be x, and then 15 more than x would be x plus 15. Okay, now the sum of their gift cards, so if I take Michelle plus Monica, together it's going to be 75. So x plus, so that's Michelle, plus Monica equals 75. Do you guys see how we got that? Okay, so now we have to solve. So to solve, the first thing I'm going to do is to combine my like terms. We get 2x plus 15 equals 75. And now I'm going to solve using SEDMAP. Subtract 15. We get 2x equals 60. And then to solve for x, I'm going to divide by 2. And I get that x equals 30. So remember, 30 is Michelle, okay? So Michelle has $30, but what about Monica? Well, she has 15 more. So 15 more would be 45. And that is our final answer. All right, number 2. Swimmers Michael Phelps and Natalie Coughlin, so those are two, Phelps and Coughlin, both competed in the Olympics in Athens and in the Olympics in Beijing. They won a total of 27 medals. Phelps, here we go, Phelps won 5 more medals than Coughlin. how many has each athlete won? So the two people we're talking about Phelps and Coughlin. So they told me something about Phelps, but they didn't say anything about Coughlin, so she's the X. Now Phelps is 5 more than her. So more than, we need to switch the order. X plus 5. And together, they are 27. So I would write X plus 5, that's Phelps, plus Natalie equals 27. And it's the same thing, guys, okay? I need to combine like terms to get 2x plus 5 equals 27. To solve, I'm going to subtract 5 to both sides. I get 2x equals 22. And then to solve for x, divide by 2. X equals 11. Okay? So my x is Coughlin, and she has 11 medals, but Phelps has 5 more. So that's going to be 16. Okay? Now, if you're like, Mr. Grice, I don't know if that's right. What's 11 plus 16? Last time I checked it, that's right, 27. Okay? All right. Number 3. An employee at a cellular phone store is doing inventory. The store has 27 less conventional cell phones than smartphones. So 27 less conventional cell phones than smartphones. The total is 63. How many of each type? So do you guys know what the conventional is? That's just ones with buttons and no smart screen or anything like that. That's how the first cell phones were, okay? So we have conventional and smartphones. So the store has 27 less conventional phones than smartphones. So they didn't tell me anything about smartphones, so that means that's going to be X. And this 27 less, yeah, that's going to be X minus 27. So the total together, they're 63. Why don't you guys see if you can write the equation on your own? Go ahead and pause the video and good luck. Okay, you should have gotten x plus the x minus 27 equals 63. Okay, let's go ahead and solve. So we got 2x minus 27 equals 63. Going to add 27 to both sides. We get 2x equals 90. And then to divide both sides by 2, we get x equals 45. Okay, so that means that the smartphones, oh, sorry, equal 45, and the conventional are 27 less. And if you don't know that, take your smartphones, 45, and we're going to subtract 27. I think it's 18. Okay, good. I was right. So 18. Okay. Number 4. A plumber has a section of PVC pipe that measures a total of 12 feet. He needs to cut it so that one piece is 2 feet less than the other. How long must each piece be? So for this, I'm going to draw a picture. So there's my pipe. I know that all together, it needs to be 12 feet. I'm going to cut it so that one side is X and the other is 2 feet less than. So that means it's going to be X minus 2. Okay? And then we just put all that information. I'm actually just going to move this guy over here. And now I can write my equation. So I have X minus 2 plus X, those two pieces together, equal 12. All right, let's see if you guys can solve this and figure it out on your own. Go ahead and pause the video and good luck. Okay, so solving, I found out that one piece is 7. Okay, that's my X. So that means my other one is 2 feet less than that. So one is going to be 7 feet and 2 feet less than that is going to be 5. And double check. What's 7 plus 5? Is 7 plus 5 12? Yeah, then we did it right. Okay? It's always important to double check your work. All right. Terrence and Janae are in college. Terrence has earned twice as many credits as Janae. Twice as many. If the sum of their, let's see, how many credits does each person have if the sum of their credits is 51? Okay, so Terrence has twice as many. That's 2 times as many as Janae. Remember that we need to have X for both of them to make sure we can solve. Okay, so together, the sum, that means I'm adding the two together, equals 51. Okay, go ahead and combine like terms. I get 3x equals 51. Divide both sides by 3. And we get that x equals, well, if you don't know, 51 divided by 3, we get 17. Okay, so that tells me that Janae has 17, and we're talking about 17 credits. So if I want to know how many Terrence has, I need to double that. And if you don't know, I'm just going to take my number, times it by 2, and get 34. And remember, always double check. Make sure you got it right. Okay. 17 plus 34, I should get 51. All right, last one. Man, that bell is loud. So, an electrician has a wire that measures a total of 45 inches. He needs to cut the wire so that one piece is twice as long as the other. What must the length be? So, here's my wire. I need to cut it, okay, so that one is 2 times as long as the other. And I know that the whole wire is 45 inches. Okay, so you guys are on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, and good luck. Okay, so x plus 2x equals 45. Combine my like terms. 3x equals 45. Divide by 3, and we get that x equals 15. So that means my one piece is 15 inches, and since my other one is 2 times as much, 15 times 30, or 15 times 2 is 30. Well, guys, that's it for Algebra Unit 1.7 Notes, Day 2. If you have any questions, please come see Ms. Carranza or myself. We would love to help you out. Otherwise, this is Mr. Grice signing off. Thanks for watching.